Yeah, if I ever travel out that way. So where is the USS Midway parked or docked? But yeah, I know when we were in California, we did a tour of the Queen Mary. I was just a kid then. I could have been 9, 10 years old or something. AA1PR, back to you.
Alpha 1, Papa Romeo, and I guess I said to you, Roger Downer on the Queen Mary, yeah, there's a different, I've been trying to talk to my wife, maybe going on a trip, I say, well,
it's on the USS Midway.
And not have to work, you might say, just chill out, and not do anything, but she's not too keen on that idea, but but again, try to get your name and location, or you are dropping in and out. But again, I just want to get your name and your location for my log. Thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you said that, and I guess I was so excited to work you, I forgot. My name is Mike India Kilo Echo, and I am in Rutland, Vermont. Over.
Alpha 1, Romeo, this is okay, Mike, that's my log. That's out there in Vermont. Okay, thank you very much for contacting us. At 73, you say Vermont, okay?
Yeah, Merry Christmas, 7-3, AA1PR. Let's see if anybody else works them. That's pretty cool. I got to work to the guy on the USS Midway. I take it that's a battleship. Could be a cruiser. I don't know. I don't know enough. Wasn't in the Navy. Wasn't in the service. That's weird. Nobody's going to go back to him? Wow.
Yes, this is K83 Victor Yankee Fox. The name is Stephen. I'm located in Baltimore, Maryland. Yankee, Victor Yankee Foxtrot, this is NI6IW. Roger, Steve, thank you very much for contacting us. I appreciate you taking the time to do that. And how you doing out there in Baltimore today, over? Oh, we're doing okay. It's a little chilly.
Looking like it was in San Diego?
Sunny and cold. I don't know exactly what the temperature is, but I think it's right around freezing, something like that. But are you on the Midway? Are you a special event on the Midway? Over? Kilo Alpha 3, Victor Yankee Foxtrot, is November India 60th Whiskey. My name is Joe. Yesterday, we are a special event station, and we are commemorating and honoring the Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day, which takes part every year at December 7th. Anyways, and we have a good crowd on board Midway today. Temperatures are up in the 60s, today. It's a little bit cooler than usual we're used to, but it's okay. I'm originally myself from Chicago that's for sure, but I retired from the Navy in 94. And when I told my wife, I said, do you want to go back to Chicago, after I retire? And she looked at me and said, no way. She said, you're finding a job here. We're staying here. So we've been here in San Diego since 1979, and you might say we definitely got spoiled. Thank you.
My great-grandmother's house was only on a road, a block up the street from the naval base in San Diego. I remember watching the sailors go to the store. She lived above the little store, and they'd go in the store for cigarettes and beer, and the little Italian store down below. But that's cool.
It's kind of I guess an open air for the public, and a lot of people milling around, but San Diego is beautiful, man. It's a beautiful part of the country. We've got a few World War II era vessels here in the Baltimore Harbor. We have an old submarine. It's called the Stark. It was in the Pacific during World War II. We had a Liberty ship called the John W. Brown. It was a supply vessel, a Liberty ship, okay. And finally we got the Tawny. It was a Coast Guard. Well, it was retired as a Coast Guard vessel, but it was in Pearl Harbor. It's one of the last surviving vessels of Pearl Harbor. The Coast Guard took it over and then retired it and it's sitting over here in the harbor there. This is November India 6 India Whiskey, USS Midway Museum, San Diego, California. For a special event station, listening on this reflector. Yours in. Kilo 2 Alpha Tango Lima in Georgia. Yeah, can I get that call sign again? ATL. Kilo 2 Alpha Tango Lima. Kilo 2 Alpha Tango Lima. This is NI6IW on the USS Midway Mission Station. And name here is Fred. Operator is Foxtrot Romeo Echo Delta. Foxtrot Romeo Echo Delta. Fred here in the San Diego Harbor. Get your name and location there. K2ATL. This is NI6IW. Very good, Fred. You're coming in 5'9". A little bit of QRP, but pretty much 5'9". Name here is Randy Romeo Alpha November Delta Yankee. Randy. Location is small town about 90 miles north of Atlanta called LJ. Echo Lima India Juliet Alpha Yankee. LJ in Georgia. Go ahead. Excellent, Randy. Thanks for the great contact here on our Mission Event Day. We're commemorating the Pearl Harbor Day, remembering December 7th and all the great men and women of World War II, not only of that day, but of the war itself, and all those who served. And thanks for joining us on this Remembering Day. Good night, over. Absolutely, Fred. Every year I remember it. Drop the flag to half staff every year. But I'll let you get to other stations. Just wanted to check in and let you know you have a good signal this evening. Best of luck on
My battery's gonna die.
what you're working on this evening. And y'all have a good evening, 73. K2, AT will be clearing your final. K2, ATL, this is NI6IW. Would you like your call sign there with the Atlanta airport code in it? And so, 73, NI6IW. Thank you, Fred. Have a good evening. K2ATL.
Yeah, Fred, I'm going to try to work you under my club's call. Whiskey 1 Victor Tango.
Whiskey 1 Victor Tango. This is NI6IW, the USS Midway Special Destination here in San Diego Harbor. Name here, operator, Fred, Foxtrot Romeo Echo Delta. Fred, get your name and location there. WW1BT, this is NI6IW.
Yes, fine business, Fred. My name is Mike. Mike India Kilo Echo. I'm the trustee of the call sign. I worked here earlier under my everyday call, and the location is Rutland, Vermont. Over.
WW1BT. What was that city name there in Vermont? Thank you.
Rutland, Radio Uniform Tango, Lima Alpha, November Delta, Rutland, Vermont. Over.
All right, thanks for the clarification. Yeah, we're appreciate the contact here today for our special event, which is the Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day, of course, December 7th. The attack led to the states declaring war, as we probably all know and remember. Some of us, remember from history because most of us weren't alive back then. Including myself. And the next day we declared the war. That lasted until September 2nd, 1945. So the Midway was built during the war and wasn't commissioned until about a week after. It was on September 10th, 1945. But we're remembering today all the veterans of World War II, and especially Pearl Harbor. And I think that's over.
Yes, God bless all those that served there and lost their lives. And horrific event, man. It just, I don't know, it makes you sick to your stomach to relive that history. But yeah, just applaud all the troops that served back then. So anyways, good luck, and I'll look up on QRZ, and maybe we'll send you a QSL if you want. WW1VT.
Yeah, WW1VT is NI6IW, and as far as QSL, just if you go to QRZ, go to NI6IW, and you'll see there the pattern for connecting with us for QSL, and that's all there. I won't read it out here. Go to QRZ and tell how to exchange it. So, thanks so much for the great contact, WW1VT.
73 WW1VT.
MNG, I think I got it, is Whiskey Yankee 0, Mike November Golf. But correct me if wrong, this is NI6IW.
Roger. The name is Jason, Lander, Wyoming, over.
That's a cool call.
Excellent, Jason.
Wyoming. Oh, and my battery's dying, so 7-3, guys. Sorry I can't show you more.